That look like practice. Practice? Practice? We talking about practice? Jeez Louise. This is why you hire a pro, people. This is evidence of some oxidation, of course, but this outcome could have been avoided just by backing up away from the surface with your fan or your tip, your wand or whatever. It's too much pressure, man. Too close to the house. This is a disaster. And the beautiful thing about this can be fixed with a little oxidation cleaner or oxidation cleaning, and it'll bounce back. Believe it or not, because you will get rid of all of that white oxidation. This looks like it's less over here because they use a lot of pressure right here. But all this stuff can be uniform again with a oxidation treatment. All right, so hopefully they learned their lesson on this one, man. But